fish on. Had a nice whole shrimp out there. Got a nice fish on. Trying to let it play out. So I got a light rod on here, not a heavy rod. So I'm not trying to waste it in too hard. Got a nice bend going on. I don't know where it is. I saw something silver come up for a while. Just pulling drag like crazy though. But again, I'm on a light rod. So I'm gonna play it out, let him tire out. See if it comes up to the surface, see what happens. Feels like a nice fish. Come on, baby. Don't get off. Don't get off. Here we go. Here we go. Gonna let him tire out some. See out there. Surfaced a little bit. Nice silver. Can't tell what it is, but it's silver. See it there? Whatever it is, looks like a decent size. Bring it over to the beach. Here. Oh, I got a nice drum. Don't go on the rocks. Don't go on the rocks. I got a light line on. Nice drum, brother. Nice drum. Nice drum. What a nice drum. What a nice drum. Nice drum. I don't know why I'm holding the camera that way. Trying to get the full length of his body in. So I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over this red drum. Not a lot of olive oil, just a little bit of olive oil over the red drum. I'm just going to rub that olive oil all over it. So let's coat it with some olive oil. After that, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of maple syrup. Little bit of maple syrup over top of the fish. Just a little bit of maple syrup, give a little sweetness to it. And also at the same time, I'm going to rub that maple syrup all over this fish. Not a lot, just a little bit of maple syrup. Get that maple syrup all over that fish. After the maple syrup, I put a little bit of sesame teriyaki seasoning over the fish. So I'll sprinkle that sesame teriyaki seasoning over the fish. And I'm actually going to end up doing both sides of the fish. So remember, both sides of the fish will be done. And after both sides of the fish is done with the teriyaki seasoning, the syrup, and the olive oil, we let it marinate overnight. And here you have it, the Dreaded Fisherman's Sesame Teriyaki Maple Glazed Red Drum with a royal blend mix of rice, some cherry tomatoes, and some iceberg lettuce with a nice Barbara's Kitchen chutney on top of the rice. So we have this teriyaki sesame, maple glazed red drum. We're about to do a taste test to see what it's like. It's really good. That drum came out really nice. It's not actually sweet. Not a strong teriyaki taste to it. Just enough teriyaki. Good sesame seed taste. But there you have it. Another Dreaded Fisherman's catch and cook. Tight lines, everybody. And remember, I am not a chef. I am just a fisherman.